Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online account with LastPass easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, visit the LastPass website. Click on the Get LastPass Free button. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a strong master password. Make sure your master password is unique and difficult to guess. After entering your credentials, click on Sign Up. You will receive a confirmation email from LastPass. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This will redirect you back to the LastPass website. Once logged in, you will see a dashboard with various options. To install the LastPass browser extension, navigate to your preferred browser's extension store. Search for LastPass in the extension store. Click on Add to Browser to install the extension. After installation, you will see the LastPass icon in your browser toolbar. Click the LastPass icon and log in with your master password. Now, let's add your first login. Go to a website where you have an existing account. Log in to that account as you normally would. After logging in, click on the LastPass icon again. Select Add Item from the drop-down menu. Fill in the required fields, including the site URL, username, and password. Once filled out, click Save. Your login credentials are now securely stored in LastPass. To generate strong passwords, click the LastPass icon and select Password Generator. Adjust the settings to meet your password requirements. Click Generate to create a strong password. Copy the generated password for use on new accounts. To access your stored passwords, click on the LastPass icon and select Vault. From there, you can view and manage all your saved logins. Now, let's enable two-factor authentication for added security. Go to your LastPass account settings. Select the Multi-Factor Options tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.